Oh, we went to Dollar General and had to get some other stuff. So I got a bird feeder and I got the watering globes, and I even got some hummingbird feeders. So like hummingbird feeders, I don't use the hummingbird feeder liquid crap that they tell you to use. Try to sell you. What I use, I just use plain water with sugar. That's actually healthier. So if we get some, once we get some hummingbirds and birds out there, I'll show y'all some video of that. Cause you know, TerreJersey Enterprises, boy, we doing it all, baby. Delivery, animal help. You know, country boy, I'm doing my thing to be an impact to society, to the life, to what God's given us, and I'm thankful of it. So we're gonna be right back. We're gonna check the roadie app to see if we got anything going on here. We're just talking about how life is just getting a little tough right now, and all we can do is just stay in prayer and thank God for everything, He's done. And then we just started worshiping. Man, so we got done doing that delivery right there, and I talked to this real nice lady. We were just talking about, and then what I did was I asked that lady, I was like, man, is there anything that I can, pray for you for? And she was like, yes. I mean, she said, yeah. So I sat there and I prayed for her and her family, prayed for her health, unseen and seen issues. I prayed for her finance. I prayed for prosperity. I prayed for wisdom. I prayed for protection over her family and her household. And that lady, it chokes you up a little bit. She was so thankful. She teared up, gave me the biggest hug ever. And you just never know, you never know who you can meet and who's going to need your help. We all struggle with things, and but just showing some compassion and showing that you care about people, and you letting God work through you. And even though we do have our issues that we are working with, that we ask God every day to forgive us and help us with, but just showing that no matter what the situation is, just being able to show compassion and praying for people. And the thing about it, though, that we all say, like, well, I'll keep my prayers. Do you actually do it, So that's why I asked her, I was like, ma'am, is there anything I can pray for you for? Or can I pray for you? And she's, and it made her day. I mean, who ever thought that this delivery would change my life and change someone else's life for the better? I believe in God, and just being able to talk about God and Jesus and His love to someone else, to a complete stranger, but be connected because we have the same love for God and Jesus Christ. And that's what we all need to do. We need to quit this hate. We need to quit this feeling this way of being mean to people or not want to help people, because you never know. Take every opportunity that you can to help others, to pray for others, and bless others. Because it will come back and bless you 100-fold, 10,000-fold. But also, too, don't look for a blessing. Just look to be generous. Look to be caring. Look to give joy. Look for opportunities to spread Jesus' love, that agape love. So what's going on, people? We just got done doing our deliveries today, and we drove about 128 miles, and made about $97 in about 5 hours, which equals out to about $18.80 per hour. So We're at the bank right now, depositing some money into my account. So, I mean, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Money. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support the platform, you can send money to my Cash App, which is $TerreJersey, TERRE, Jersey, or my Venmo at TerreJersey Photography, or LaRon-Doolin, or my PayPal at TerreJersey@mail.com. And yeah, it's mail.com. All the links will be in the description. I use my bank. I use Chime. I use no Stash, but I use Gas Buddy and Upside to get for my discount on gas, from gas, cash back on gas, which is needed if you're doing this kind of gig work. And I use Mile Up to track my miles. But we're gonna head home. We're gonna get some gas first, head home, and get ready for the actual work week. I work at my full-time job. Tired today. We had to go all the way to Marshall, Illinois to deliver a I think it was a grill, I think, in Marshall, Illinois. Then we had to go to out there close to Riley, Indiana, to deliver a big old grill. Luckily the guy was there to help me because that grill was like 200 pounds. Which, like I said, I wish the app would tell you exactly what the order is. So, like, if it's a grill or something like that, I wish it would tell me that instead of saying large or extra large, which is good to have. That's good for the show, extra large and large and stuff. But yeah. But other than that, that's what's going on today. And thank you for checking me out. We're going to be making videos every day. I do the Roadie app. This is my review for today. I had one delivery today. It was one of those little baby pools, which I would pay like $7, $8. Go from Walmart to that. And then we had another order today for a lawnmower, electric lawnmower kit, which that's what I told y'all earlier about. You seen it earlier in this video about when I prayed for the lady, talked about her. But other than that, not bad for today. I went and bought a dolly today because I needed it. I got a Milwaukee dolly from Walmart, which I will show in the description. Put a link in the description so you can find the same one off of Amazon. So if you go on Amazon and buy the same dolly, it's a nice one. You know, I get a little kickback on the affiliate link on that. Other than that, just saving money. I have to buy a transit van or a little cargo van so I have to keep driving a personal vehicle. And I'll talk to y'all later.